This is a 2012 Honda Civic Si. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Features include a sunroof, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, an anti-lock braking system, a rear spoiler, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.